Pisane kone pewana awe ya ambeka wingeke da yasin Kimino nakose miko peje kunganonde Chinakose yanin Shkedash Biiwaabikwaabidesagiing miigwech Ingame jime mego edash Gamo chekis sawa Gut Inabede an miga nindaman Medash kanjine kani goyan Biiwaabikwaabidesagiing
Ombaabate. Ajaminoa, another exciting day in Elkford, and to top off this thrilling afternoon at the mall, I was now heading home to more excitement. Anin? Oh, Anin and Baba. Tomorrow, I guess, I'll have to check my busy schedule. Giiwaabikwaabidesagiing. Nija Shin and Baba wants me to go to his Rinamoshe's condo for brunch tomorrow, and to make it perfectly worse, I have to meet her 15-year-old son, who's moving in with her, and try to be friends.
Wasn't this the guy who was in boarding school with Wabanong? The one who lived with Obabayan?
Miawe, apparently he's gonna go to some new school in Mawe Odenung.
So he might be nice.
I doubt it.
Shin mikage kendeman.
Maria, you have no idea what it's like when you're forced to hang out with the kids of your parents' Owinamashe Ian. All they want is for you to get along so they feel better about their divorce. I don't want any more siblings or friends.
I'm just trying to help.
All I wanted was for Bamatazuin to be exciting. Ganage Senega Chijasik? I don't get it. How come you didn't force Adam and Josh to come?
I'm not forcing you to do anything, Sharon. I'm asking. And Adam and Josh both had practices they couldn't miss.
What's the big deal with this Griffin kid anyway? Why can't he make his own friends?
He can and he will. We're just making him feel welcome. Zanagatuanish the last few months.
Zanaga too? What, did he get kicked out of boarding school or something? Agitina Gichi-miigwech? What did he do?
We're not exactly sure yet. All of this is getting sorted out. In the meantime, Tunkoya ma hoga Tunkoya baya chai. So let's just be nice and help him get adjusted to all the changes. Homoa.
Why should I waste my life listening to these middle-aged people teach me things I'll never have to use in real life?
Minakabune andakino amagawan?
Gig it!
And then they kicked you out?
Uh-huh. And then Baba couldn't hack it, of course, because he's so worried about what people will think, and he's on the board of this and the executive of that, so he sends me here. End of problem.
Anin habinujituk. Wah, bizanego mino wijiwutiek.
Griffin, come meet some of my friends from work.
I don't really feel like it, Lauren. Miigwech, I was just gonna show Sharon here my latest audio creation.
That sounds like a nice idea.
Hamayet.
Since the day I saw my first microphone, I knew I'd find a way to make it here out of my own. No one telling me what to be, who I'm supposed to be. What? All you wanna see is me act responsibly?
Oh, Gemino rap pill. You're really trying to say something.
I think there's a lot to say about Bimatazuin, and no one's saying it loud enough.
Imaya ain't a munch to on. Onji animal rights, shigo, nibua gegu. Some people are listening, but not enough.
Ginestotun.
Hey! Dago Ninijinaguk. I can't believe how talented you are.
So, I bet Baba forced you to come here, Geezigagwe Wijiwaga Nian na.
Gawin, of course not. I thought it would be nice to meet you.
Unigiwanemonema, Sharon, as if you didn't have anything better to do. You probably hate Lauren, or at least barely tolerate her, and I'm sure I'll hate Richard, or at least barely tolerate him. But hey, Bimataziwin Koshaiwe, the trick is figuring out how to make it work for Geen. Minagege? I think I'm gonna go outside for a little break. Wanna come?
Gawin, give me one dash, Anish.
Yeah. And
Nothing. So right now, while we're playing Atagiwin for the 99th time this year, he's out with Omama gallery hopping.
Ambeoma Giwijiona.
Gawin, that's not what I meant. I just mean, why don't we ever go to galleries?
'Cause we don't care about art?
What's so wrong with playing a Tagiwin?
Nothing, it's just, I don't know, too normal.
Excuse us.
I'm telling you guys, Griffin is totally original. He sees the arcade differently than we do.
So, when are we gonna meet him?
Oh, and Ninidokapi, he's probably gonna be really busy starting his new school.
Oh, Manu.
Ha! Imbakinage!
Geta ka. Let's do another round.
The truth was, I wasn't sure if I wanted Griffin to meet my Biiwaabikwaabidesagiing. Compared to him, they just seem so uncool. Hey, wego nano manujutuyan.
nothing else to do. I swear, all the kids at my new school are total losers.
Gegetna?
Gigit, we're learning about Anishinaabe Washimawin in class, so I say, hey, instead of just talking about it and watching videos, let's actually dance and hold our own powwow here in the classroom. So actually decolonize for once? Of course, major negative responses to that one.
Of course.
So, what are you up to tonight?
Well, not much.
So let's do something.
Well, my friends and I were sort of gonna go to the mall, hang out at the food court. I don't know. It'll be totally boring. You'd hate it.
So, forget the mall. Do any of your friends have a Begizoin? Betakin Pako Biiwaabikwaabidesagiing! Woohoo! Yeah! Ah, the water's beautiful. Come on in.
It's just that, well, there's no swimming allowed. The pool closed an hour ago.
Nighttime swimming is where it's at. There's no lifeguard during the day, is there?
Gawin, but...
So what difference does it make?
Well, it is getting pretty hot in here.
Maria, a quick little dip isn't gonna hurt, is it? Where are you?
Over here!
Shh! Everyone out! The maintenance guy is coming! There's a back door to the elevators.
I'm gonna kill you.
Gawin gekito sin gegamenenamak. I do. I just think he's sort of wild. What if we had got caught tonight?
But we didn't.
We're just lucky my parents aren't home yet.
Will you stop being so uptight? At least Griffin's getting us to do something different for a change.
You're not getting a crush on him, are you?
Of course not. He could end up being my stepbrother.
Right. Just checking.
Hey, we just realized what time it is. We've all got to get home.
Mama Kaj, Gichi-miigwech Wimpautiwad. You don't have a curfew too, do ya?
Sort of, but I'm staying over at Ombaabate tonight, and since I told him I'm hanging out with you, he said I can stay out an extra half hour. Hey, what are we doing here? This is Gimama's building. You going in already?
Shh, Bimina Joshin. I just need to make a pit stop. Mama Kaj, Giwani Kata Manonoin.
Wegonin wished you one.
What does it look like I'm doing?
Do you know how bad that is for you?
So what? We're all gonna die sooner or later.
That is the stupidest argument I've ever heard.
So I'm stupid. We all know that.
That's not what I meant.
Want one?
No thanks.
Wah. Etatidagan dogi mujigitum giwijiwaganaki no wa. Do any of you ever play outside the box without getting all nutty and paranoid?
Sure we do. I'm just trying to quit right now.
Ginisto tune. It's tough. Can you do these?
Oh yeah, of course. No problem. Ouch!
Skegoda.
Right. I might be a little rusty. Yuck! It's not funny.
Yes, it is. You're such a bad liar. Ashinwika onje zakasoyen.
Leave me alone.
Hey!
Indaganunak shamagana shuk and get you niche charged with underage smoking and loitering. So you better get lost. Mina, this is private property.
Taga bakwizena kuwenzi ni mama omada.
Well, I'm sure she'll want to know what you've been up to. I've got a nice little gamazanate sake to show her in there.
I think we've seen enough.
Sharon, how long has this smoking thing been going on?
Griffin, Gigizagasaw Gigin?
Hey, everyone has to try smoking once in their life.
I swear, it was my first and last time.
I'm begish and dewa, Sharon. Do you know how addictive it is? How terrible it is for your body?
Yes.
Guku Ogini Sagun lung cancer from smoking 2 packs a day since she was a teenager.
I know.
Chegaganundi angetagogi mama ni nawind.
I'm furious.
Ellen negachago.
Our lives are over.
Maybe for you, but Lauren's never dished out a punishment in her life.
Gimama Shigonin have agreed that this definitely warrants being grounded.
In Gogizis onje. No extracurricular activities, social engagements,
Or Gigidu Biiwaabikuns, Mazanate Bichigan, and Mamagonigan privileges.
and we're booking an appointment with Dr. Krazer so that you can hear firsthand the harm smoking does to your body.
You think any of that's gonna make a difference if she wants to smoke again?
Bushke Dakawin, but she'll realize how serious we are about not wanting her to.
I think you need to get the same message, Griffin.
What? So now you're suddenly pretending to be strict mama?
No, I'm learning. You'll have the same consequences as Sharon.
Fine, but if you and your new Winamoshe think you can control me, you're wrong!
So basically, it's a major prison sentence, and on top of that, Nimama doesn't want me hanging around Griffin. Probably shouldn't even be talking to you in case you put some bad ideas into my stigwan or something.
I just can't believe Gisagaswayan.
Miigwech for the sympathy.
Why would you even try it? 吸烟会上瘾，而且有害健康。我真不敢相信有这么的笨。
Need I translate?
Hey, I understood enough to realize that maybe as friends you should feel sorry for me.
Well, I mean, it sucks you're not going to be able to hang out for a month. Gindashueka dutamon, Sharon.
Oh, Beisana. Don't tell me you guys never thought of trying it.
Excuse me, but I sort of like to be able to breathe when I work out.
And I already have enough problems breathing with my asthma.
And, I already did. Try it, I mean.
Gina Gigizakaso?
Hey, in 8th grade, Nina and I got into it.
How into it?
Akawe hanish inge michikochitomen. Midash gagige inge zagasomen.
I can't believe you never told me this.
What happened?
Our parents caught us and went crazy. At first, we weren't worried because we thought we could quit whenever we wanted to. Apachedash gezanagad.
How na? Nicotine's totally addictive.
It is, and don't let anyone tell you it isn't. Gitam tobacco companies. They try so hard to make it look cool to Zagesa. I went completely broke buying cigarettes.
So now you quit for good?
Uh-huh. And I don't know why anyone would even start. I felt out of shape all the time. My breath was horrible and all my clothes and hair stank. It was totally gross.
Well, it did taste pretty awful. After everything Allison said, the last thing I wanted to do was to sagaso again. But did that mean I could renegotiate the terms of my house arrest? Of course not. My parents weren't budging. I'm so bored. I've done my homework. I've even cleaned my room. Wegonenchigwa. Sorry, my nails are still wet. I got it.
It's okay, Sharon. Nin gosha anje. And besides, you're not supposed to be using the Biiwaabikwaabidesagiing. I thought we settled this. I disagree. He obviously has major problems, Richard, and no, I'm not going to let Sharon just be his friend while he works them out.
Do you know how uncool that is?
Whoa, Beka Kue.
All I'm saying is he's a good kid that just needs a strong role model right now.
Fine, you do your thing with him, but keep Sharon out of it.
Helen, we don't know for sure he pressured Sharon Chizaga-sonit.
We can pretty well bet on it.
Since when do you jump to conclusions before you get the facts?
Nina Niche, psychologist Richard. I can spot his type a mile away.
Hey, don't use that on me. Are you saying my judgment doesn't count then?
Stop protecting him. The bottom line is, your girlfriend's son is messed up, and the last thing I want is for Sharon to get messed up too.
Dagabunwe tamok.
Sharon, how long have you been listening?
Long enough. Don't you think I have a stigwan that I can think for myself?
Of course you can.
Then let me.
Helen, we'll continue this conversation another time. In private.
Sharon, Chigaganundiang. Sharon.
Misagwe, they're all smudged. I didn't understand my parents. Now they were making it sound like I was some big problem child. It was so obvious they were the ones with the problems. Do you think people will have forgotten about me? I mean, by the time my parents set me free? Hey!
Psst! I'm here to help you break loose.
Shh! Gawina waya machia ken.
Calm down.
You come up. If Namama wakes up and finds me up here with you, I'm dead.
Talking about mothers, it was such a joke watching Lauren try to do the strict routine. In the end, she just couldn't hack it.
So what does that mean? You're not grounded anymore?
Get. The only problem now is Awe Akiwenzi ga opapayamad. I'm like his next big mission or something. Gawin ga buni baba mekosin.
What do you mean? And please be careful up there.
Oh, he keeps inviting me over to his rehearsal studio to listen to his band play. He's even offered to give me drum lessons if I want.
What's so bad about that?
Tagasana! Kibaba is a has-been, as if I'd ever want to learn anything from him. Shke, Bizindunawe. I made him a little present so he'll get the message I don't need any more father replacement therapy.
Gichi-miigwech Bushkanenda Mangawin.
This is Mbaba's big hit from 10 years ago.
Debwe, his only hit. Bizindangitwam. Ashinda wika kesaginan akiwenzi bushkenendeman shawenemik ni mama gana che webinik. Isn't that hilarious?
You haven't given him this, have you?
Gawin, I thought I'd share it with you first.
Thanks. Thanks a lot. Mbaba wrote that song for me when I was a little girl.
So what? I thought you'd think it was funny. Richard's being a jerk. Admit it.
Will you shut up about Mbaba already? I know he's not perfect, but actually, I think it's sort of nice that he's been trying to hang out with you. He's got better things to do, you know.
Please, he's just trying to get in good with Lauren. You don't think he really cares about me, do you? Why would he?
I'm going in.
I'm just saying, no one's gonna tell me what to do.
Oh, please! You think you're so cool being Mr. Rebel? Mr. I don't care what people think about me, and it's so obvious that you do care.
Give it up, Sharon.
You don't believe that anyone can really care about you because you don't care about yourself.
Right.
If you did, you'd stop smoking and doing all the other things that are messing up your Biiwaabikwaabidesagiing.
Miigwech for that public service announcement, Miss Spitz.
Gangeguye. After everything that happened this week, there was one thing Griffin was right about. The trick to life was figuring out how to make it work for you.
Aneen?
Hey, it's Neen. I gotta be quick so I don't get caught using my Gigadoo Biiwaabikwaabidesagiing, but I just wanted to say you are totally not boring, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Just so you know.
Okay, now I know. Miigwech. Bye.
I didn't know what Griffin was gonna do with his Biiwaabikwaabidesagiing, but I knew one thing about mine. Even if my parents still drove me crazy, my Biiwaabikwaabidesagiing was working pretty great. Just the way it was.
Pisane kone pewana awe ya ambeka winge keta yasin Kimino nako semiko peje kunganonde Shinako ziyanin Shkedash Biiwaabikwaabidesagiing midash Ingame jene mego edash Gamo chikis misawa Gut Inabidian migain indaman Medashkan shinekani goyan Biiwaabikwaabidesagiing